In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for marketing, a step-by-step guide. Before you generate a single line of copy or think about ad spend, start by choosing the right model tier in the dropdown at the very top of your chat workspace. Keep it on the instant tier when you need speed. This is perfect for quick production tasks, writing fast Google ad variations, tightening up short email subject lines, formatting a list of holiday promotion tags, or translating short ad copy for international audiences. When you're building something more strategic, switch to the thinking tier. This engine is built for deep reasoning, so use it to map customer journey funnels, analyze competitor positioning, process market research, or structure multi-week launch sequences. A helpful tip: open a fresh chat for each major task so the model stays focused, and tell it which tier you've selected and what success looks like. Next, avoid starting with generic commands like write an ad for my product. Instead, paste this persona mapping prompt and replace the brackets with your details. Act as a world-class growth marketer, consumer psychologist, and direct response copywriter. I am building a marketing campaign for a product/service that is insert product service description. My target ideal customer profile, ICP, is insert target audience. Provide a structured marketing profile detailing the 3 biggest silent frustrations this ICP faces daily, the hidden emotional triggers behind those problems, and 3 distinct marketing angles/hooks designed to position our product as the immediate frictionless solution. This frames the problem like a pro and gives you hooks that resonate beyond surface-level features. Then, build a multi-stage funnel so every touchpoint has a job. Use this prompt. Act as a digital marketing architect and acquisition strategist. Build an end-to-end multi-channel marketing campaign blueprint for our product/service. Structure the blueprint into 3 distinct funnel stages using a clean layout. Top of funnel: tofu, building awareness and high retention video/social hooks. Middle of funnel: mafu, nurturing intent through case studies or educational lead magnets. And bottom of funnel: bofu, high converting email sequences and direct offers. For each stage, specify the primary distribution channel, the core messaging focus, and the single metric to track success. Review the output against your budget, timelines, and available creative, and ask for refinements until it fits. Finally, generate testable ad variations with AIDA. Paste: act as a master conversion copywriter and media buyer. Write 2 completely distinct ad copy variations for insert advertising platform, e.g. Meta/LinkedIn ads, targeting our ICP. Structure each variation strictly around the AIDA framework: attention, hook; interest, problem alignment; desire, core benefits, transformation; and action, clear CTA. Ensure the tone is direct, authentic, and completely avoids corporate fluff. Format the output in a clean layout with explicit placeholders for visual assets or image styles. Use these to split test, and feel free to ask for platform-specific character limits or compliance notes. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys.